Well, here we go. Kettle Corn cousins, I got another table for you. This is Mitch at kettlecornsupplies.com and Cycles Lemoore. Cycles Lemoore is actually the name, but I'm the one-man show that makes all this stuff. And I wanted to show you a new table that I didn't really want to make. I made 4 of these before I actually built one I liked. So it took a while to build. But what it is what I call a Cretors table. And the Cretors popper would sit on here, or one of each on each side. And the popcorn comes out, lands in the table, and you sift it. Now this customer wanted to have one side with a trap door, like this, and the popcorn would just fall into the basket. So that's what I did. Now he still has the option to do sifting there. And if he doesn't want to do it that way, or he finds it's not sufficient, he can use the trap door. So the trap door is there. So he's got several ways to get the popcorn out. And you can also take and do your popping on one side or the other. I suppose you could get one of these and just put it on a regular table as well, make you a little surface to work with. But the nice thing about this, I was fighting to whether or not I should bolt it down or not. But you know what? It's pretty stable. And you can pick it up and put it in another spot. You can do it here, there, here, or you can just take it off and not use it at all. But this gives you many options, ways that you can go with. And like all my tables, they're 25 by 36 for the 2 bin, and I think it's 53 for the large bin. I only make the 2 tables now, other than custom stuff like this now and then. But you can also get a guillotine door if you'd like. If you have any questions, give me a call. If I don't answer, call right away. It's because I'm welding or grinding or driving. So I will call you right back or text you. Bye-bye. Be mighty, my friends.